Hi guys! In today's video, we will see how to create a CSV file for Freepik. This is a fast method for adding metadata to your content. Let's start the video. First, you need to go to the folder where your data is stored. First, you'll need the names of the images, which are essential for creating a CSV file. For this, we will use a script code with a .bat extension, which will fetch the names of all the JPG images from our folder and save them in a .txt file. Here you can see the .bat code. You can download this .bat file from the link provided in the description. Now I will run this .bat file to get the names of these three images, which we will use in the CSV file. As soon as we run it, a .txt file named imageslist will be saved in the same folder. Now let's open the file, and we will see the names of all three files with semicolons, just the way we needed them. I will create a new Excel file so you can understand how to make a CSV from scratch. You should also create an Excel file. You can name it whatever you like. I've named this file CSV. Now I will open this file and I will enter the required data into it. You need to add this data in the very first cell of the Excel file, which is the required format for Freepik CSV. If it doesn't match this format, your CSV won't upload, and the data won't be uploaded either. So make sure to keep this format unchanged. Now we will add the file names we extracted earlier to this Excel file, and we will also add the remaining metadata. I have copied the file names, and I will add them in the first cell of the second row in Excel. This is because, as we saw in the previous format, the file name should come first. We have added the file names, and now we will add the remaining metadata, which I had prepared earlier. I will copy and paste it into this file to keep the video from getting too long. This was my experiment file in which I had added the metadata, so I will copy it from here and add it to my other CSV file for all three images. I have added the metadata now, and let me describe it a bit. Some people create CSV files, but they don't get uploaded. This usually happens because the format isn't correct. Whenever you upload a CSV, you must add a semicolon after each piece of information, like this. You can see this in all the data. If you don't do this, your CSV will fail to upload. Let's talk about the model section. When we upload this CSV along with the three images, we will see this option there, and we will check it at that time. Now we will convert this Excel file into a CSV. First, we will go to the File section. There we need to click on the Save As option. We will select the CSV delimited option and save it in the desired folder. If you encounter this error, select No, and then cancel the following option. This way, the CSV will be saved successfully. Now we are in the Upload section of our Freepik dashboard. First, we will upload our images, and then we will upload the CSV. The uploading has started. After this, there will be a little processing, and our images will move to the metadata state. The processing is complete now. Next, we will remove the previous titles that Freepik generated automatically and replace them with the titles we have in the CSV. After removing the titles, make sure to save it once. Now we will upload the CSV file that we created. I will select the CSV we created and open it, and it will upload. As you can see, a pop-up has appeared indicating that the CSV file has been uploaded successfully. After uploading, refresh the page, and your metadata will be added. Sometimes, it may appear that the data hasn't uploaded, like the red cross still showing on the images. At this point, you should check whether the character limit for keywords or titles has been exceeded. If that happens, you need to either reduce the characters to stay within the limit or press the Save button once, and it will automatically adjust the data to meet the required character count. Now you can see that they have turned green. As soon as I removed some characters from the title, they changed to green. After making the changes, you should save it once again. Now let's discuss the model section we saw in the CSV and how to add values there. The base model refers to which AI image generator you use to create the image. Here you will find various models and their versions. Since I generated my images using Freepik Pikaso, I will select that option. If you want to add it directly, you need to type the exact same name with capital letters, just as it is shown here in the CSV as well. So that was the method for uploading a CSV. You can upload it this way and speed up your uploading process. If you need keywords for a specific topic, I can provide them. Just comment below with your topic. If you can't find the keyword playlist, it's added in the end screen of this video. That's all for today's video. If you found it informative and this method helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your stingy friends who don't share such methods. See you in a new video with a new topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz.